Very good evening to all of you, beta. Last class, beta, we have started with hydrogen, but since we have SR on Saturday, I guess, right, na, beta? So what I'm going to do, beta, whatever portion is there for your SR, that I'm going to quickly revise, and some few question paper also I'll discuss with you all so that you will get a little high confidence while solving it. Okay. Now that before starting this particular chapter, what the big notes which I gave you in that, beta, you should be thorough with few things. That is the last page. Okay, if they say which are the acidic gas, neutral gas, CO, NO, and nitrous oxide and water, which are acidic gas, all these are what beta? Acidic. Only the one which is circle one are very important one for you. Why they are known as acidic? Because if I put CO2 in water, it will give you what beta? Acid. It will give you what beta? Acid. Are you getting it? Clear? Then beta, what are basic gas? In your entire syllabus, there is only one basic gas, ammonia. Why it is known as basic gas? Because beta, if I dissolve this in water, beta, what you are going to get? NH4OH. Clear, beta? So you get NH4OH. That means it gives you base. Okay. Then beta, whenever they say reddish brown gas, 4 andar mukh beta, NO2. Greenish yellow gas. Whenever I say Rotanex smell, then okay, this is phosphorus pentoxide acidic gas. Beta. Okay. Then in your syllabus, beta, if they say beta, which are amphoteric, देखो acidic oxide मैंने बता दिया था. These are neutral oxide. Okay. Metal oxide are what beta? Basic. Metal oxide are non-metal oxide are acidic. Okay. Metal oxide are basic. Now, which are amphoteric? Beta, I gave you the trick. Janabe Ali in pub. Janabe Ali in मतलब आपको पूछेंगे which are amphoteric oxide. So what will say beta? Zinc ox. Janabe Ali in pub. ये तुम्हारे कौन से ऑक्साइड है? अच्छा बेटा, कलर से रिलेटेड बेटा मैं आपको बता देता हूँ. सिंस यू डोंट हैव बेटा insoluble one because that you are going to have in next I think exam. Okay. Hey, generally copper 2 plus salt are which color? Blue. But copper oxide is black. Copper carbonate is greenish blue. Okay. Fe2 plus salt are dirty green. Fe3 plus salt are PbO is buff yellow. Pb hydroxide is name an oxide which is yellow when hot, white when cold. Yellow when hot, white when cold. Okay? Then it is ची. अरे जगह है बैठने यहाँ पे, चल फटाफट. चलो जा भी अंदर, बैठ जा फटाफट. चले या मूविंग. Then mercury oxide is which color? Please ये सब कलर याद रखो. Orange, red. Chromic oxide is which color? Green. Ammonium dichromate is orange. When I say yellow non-metal, then what should come to your mind? When I say reddish brown liquid, what should come to your mind? Bromine. And ammonium chloride is which color? Dense white fume. This all things should be, you should be very much thorough with all these things. And beta, whenever if I take any carbonate वाला salt, carbonate मतलब ऐसा CO3 2 minus होता है उसमें. तो suppose if I take sodium carbonate, so if you add acid to it, which gas it will release? Carbon dioxide. If I take bisulfate and sulfite is SO3. मतलब suppose if I take sodium sulfite and if I add acid, so what I'm going to get? Salt and sulfur dioxide. And if I take any sulfide means S2 minus, like sodium sulfide. Okay. And if you add acid to it, which gas you'll get? So it is a Rotanex smell. It is which gas? Okay. Now the first thing, beta, what they will ask you. First question is, what are the characteristics of a chemical reaction? So what are the characteristics of a chemical reaction? How will you come to know that the chemical reaction has started? Okay. So, chalo beta, I'll just tell you. Change of color, evolution of gas, formation of precipitate, and absorption and evolution of heat. A exothermic reaction means heat is lost. It is written by plus triangle on product side. Endothermic reaction is heat is absorbed. It is written as minus triangle on product side. So this was the characteristic. Then beta, we directly went into the reaction. If beta, can you see when many reactant react together and you get only one product, then it is known as which reaction? It can be synthesis also. Huh, beta? Okay. A one reactant and many product, then it is what? In decomposition, they are further classified into thermal decomposition. then electrolytic, and then photolytic. Now, beta, in this beta, can you see A is displacing B? So it is which reaction? Displacement. And in displacement, beta, the one which displaces other should be what? The highly reactive metal, which should be, yeah, above in the reactivity series. करीना ने कार मांगी अल्टोजेन फरारी, फिर भी है क्यूट मर्क्यूरी सिल्वर प्लेटेड और since beta double decomposition you don't have, just I'm just telling you here partners changes. A will go with D and C will go with B. Radicals will change. Okay, beta. Then beta, the very first one, beta, direct combination. In direct combination, what we have done, beta, they will directly ask alag different. They will ask in different way, beta. Question. You know, element, beta. Whenever both are element and element, this is also akela. This is also akela element. Then you get a. Then it is known as synthesis. Then it is known as. But if it is compound and element or compound and compound, then we will call it as direct combination. We will not call it as synthesis. Synthesis means both have to be what? Element. So element, beta. Can you see beta? Metal plus oxygen, you get metal. So ये भी अकेला, ये भी अकेला metal है ना beta, right? Okay, metal. Okay, अच्छा. Now in this beta, what you have to remember is Na2O is what beta? These two are अच्छा. They are Na2O and this. Can you see this beta? Right? अच्छा. All these three are which oxide beta? All ये तीनों oxide कौन से बोलो बेटा? Acidic oxide. इसमें भी बेटा ये वाला रिएक्शन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. फॉस्फोरस व्हेन रिएक्ट विद ऑक्सीजन यू गेट फॉस्फोरस पेंटाऑक्साइड. व्हाट इज दिस? पेंटाऑक्साइड. ओके, राइट. These two are which oxide? Basic oxide, because they will react with water to form base. Are you getting it? Clear? Any difficulty till here? Okay. Then beta, whenever you take compound and compound, can you see beta this compound and element, so you get compound. Clear? Now in exam beta, what all thing they will ask you? Write a combination reaction in which, two compounds gives you strong alkali. Who is strong alkali? Na. This is strong alkali. Write a combination reaction in which you get a weak alkali. So beta, they won't give directly calcium oxide plus water. You'll have to write it this way. So who is this? Your beta weak alkali. Write a combination reaction in which you get weak acid. Weak. ये तीनों रिएक्शन कौन सा है तुम्हारा? बोलो बेटा. वीक एसिड. अरे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड प्लस वाटर कार्बोनिक एसिड, सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड प्लस वाटर सल्फरस एसिड, phosphorus pentaoxide plus water phosphoric acid. All these are which reaction beta? Combination. अच्छा, ये सब मैंने आपको यहाँ पर भी दिया हुआ है. where it is given, come on. The very first page of my this colorful notes if you have seen. अरे ये क्यों खुलता है बार बार? Just pay attention, beta. Quickly, I'm going to do revision for your SR, beta. Look, otherwise I would have started with hydrogen. Now look here, beta. Can you see this? Hello. Hey, no talking. Absolutely pay attention here, Tanisha. यहाँ पे देखो. Like both are element. Then you do. अच्छा, they won't say beta directly sulfur. They will say write a reaction between Fe and yellow non-metal. So what should come to your mind? अभी समझा? This is all information. Okay. They will tell you write a combination reaction in which beta weak acid is formed. So you can take either of these three reactions. Yeah, combination compound plus compound. Write a combination reaction in which beta strong alkali is formed. देखो बेटा, ये मैंने दिया था ना बेटा. Write a combination reaction in which weak alkali. देख रहा है ये weak alkali. Write a reaction in which this base is formed. Clear? Then they can ask you write a reaction in which three compounds give you one compound. Okay. Then they will twist the question. All these are combination reaction beta. I can give you this way also. Write a reaction between trivalent metal and greenish yellow gas. Who is greenish yellow gas? Chlorine. ऐसा दिमाग चलना चाहिए. Greenish yellow gas means what? Chlorine. Trivalent metal means Fe or aluminium. Then they will ask you, about this. Divalent metal and yellow non-metal. Divalent metal and yellow. Either I can take zinc and yellow non-metal. You get zinc sulfide. Then, what? Okay, they will ask you write a reaction between nitrogen and greenish yellow gas. You will get what? Yellow liquid. What is the name of this compound? Nitrogen trichloride. Okay, yellow liquid. Clear? Any difficulty till here? Bolo. Right? So this type of question, I'm going to solve this question also, but I'm going to show you. Don't you worry. Okay? Right, beta. A. No, no. E. Oh yeah, bro. ये लोग बेटा, I'm giving you this question. चलो बेटा. ए, फटाफट देखो बेटा, अभी एक एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन कैसा आएगा बेटा. Even I have given one worksheet of AVM where I have solved in it entire thing, all the different worksheet of this chapter so far I have sent. They have given. तो चलो बेटा, what is written बेटा, balance equation A between aluminium plus oxygen. Who is that boy? ए बस ए. हाँ. So aluminium plus oxygen. So how we are going to write Alu plus O2. Now, but we need to balance this. Okay. So 2, 3, 4. Okay. So this is how we balance. Balancing I have taught you. Hey, this is iron 3. So iron 3 मतलब Fe का, no, Fe का valency will be 3. So what I'm going to get? Fe2. So it is almost similar to the previous one. So for balancing one, 4, 3, 2. Okay. Copper 1 they have told beta. Copper 1. So copper का valency will be how much beta? 1. Oxygen is 2. Cu2O. Cu2O. So what I'm going to do is chew 4. Got it? Why we are taken Cu2? Because oxygen का here copper का valency they had P1 as 1. Oxygen is how much? 2. अरे बेटा शांति से बैठना मत भाई, आवाज मत करिए, डिस्टर्ब हो रहे हैं. पैर नीचे रख दे, तू नीचे रख दे, नीचे नीचे, बस. देन कार्बन इज इनसफिशियंट, मतलब पूरा ऑक्सीडेशन नहीं होगा बेटा. इनसफिशियंट यू विल गेट कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड. कार्बन insufficient. So what you have to do, balance it. But phosphorus plus oxygen, ये बहुत important reaction था. Phosphorus plus O2. This girl here, what you will get? Phosphorus plus O2. P2O, phosphorus pentaoxide. Pentaoxide. So for balancing, I'm going to put here 2 here. I'm going to put 5 and 2 to 4. इतना इजी था बेटा. डन डन डन. ये सब कॉम्बिनेशन है कि नहीं बोलो बेटा. वगैरह. Hydrogen plus fluorine, H2, F2 gives you HF. Balancing it 2. Carbon plus sulfur will give you carbon disulfide is solvent plus solvent for carbon disulfide only. 2. Clear? Now, we now, very important thing I'm going to teach you. Okay, directly I'm going to teach you now displacement first and then I'll go to decomposition. So in your textbook, I'm skipping this part and I'm directly going to what beta displacement reaction. Which reaction? Second wala decomposition. I'll come back to it. Don't worry beta. So for this, you have to remember this only series. Okay, displacement. And all the above metal will displace the lower. So beta, in this big notes which I given to you all, this biggie, very biggie thing. Bigito. Biggie. Acha beta, biggie, I'll do that. Beta, before that, beta, I have look here. Hey, write a reaction in which a neutral liquid is formed. Neutral liquid means water. So H2 plus O2 will give you water. Plus triangle means it is reaction is what? Exothermic. Hey, write a combination reaction in which basic gas is formed. Only basic gas for your syllabus is which one? Ammonia. But your reaction is reversible. You have to be very careful. Heat. Oi, temperature 450 to 500, pressure, everything. And promoter also in this reaction, there is a promoter. Who was that? Muralidharan nahi, molybdenum. Molybdenum. Yeah. What is promoter? What is catalyst? Catalyst increases rate of reaction. It alters the rate of reaction actually. It can either increase or decrease. The one who increases is known as positive catalyst. The one who decreases is known as negative. Saral bas. Sido base. Kana khade. Martos, I'll call Carlos, man. Don't you worry. बराबर. जो शांत बने वैसे गप्प बने बस. समझला ना. डोक्याला ताप देऊ नको उगाच. ए, आओ. बिल्कुल है. Yeah, I know Roberto Carlos. I know even the Narcos. Okay. So I know all the Mexicana. Okay. Right. Then you're in the lot of trouble. Hey, why don't you just shut your mouth, both of these girls? But I don't know. They are saying I am not yet confirmed.
Maybe just see that the last page is not coming. Then the catalyst thing is not coming. Just the exosomatic.
But that last 141 and 142. What these girls were saying 141. Hey,
So Pooja was told us catalyst is coming.
What? Catalyst is coming.
are not this. Are she is saying about that behind one experiment she is saying. That is what I, okay, anyways, beta. But what? What?
What? This is not been taught to me.
Oh no. Hey, no. You just confirm in the school again. Okay. So that is what na beta. Hey,
So Pooja was totally online.
बाद में बेटा बाद में. Okay, end में करेंगे बेटा. We have very less time बेटा. Let me complete this. This girl here later on. Boys here, just shut him out. Beta, promoter is a substance which increases the efficiency of catalyst. Catalyst is a substance which alters the rate of reaction. Promoter is a substance which increases the efficiency of catalyst. Yeah.
If a catalyst decreases the rate of reaction and you use a promoter, so will it?
No, it will help us to further decrease.
When will it help to further increase?
If I want to increase the rate of, Acha, now tell me, beta, if I want to increase the rate of reaction, will I use the negative catalyst or positive?
So if you want to decrease the rate of
So then you have to use negative catalyst.
but
So then in negative catalyst, you don't have to use promoter.
why can't you use it?
No, you don't have to use it.
Why can't you use
But if you want to use it, yeah, so if you then in that case, promoter will decrease the efficiency. So we say it affects the efficiency. Yeah. Why don't you just shut your garbage? Yeah. Hey, pay attention here. Write a reaction between hydrogen and greenish yellow gas. So you get HCl. This reaction, beta, we have to carry out in what, beta? Diffuse sunlight, not in direct sunlight. Because in direct sunlight, it will catch fire. Yeah, explosive. Okay. Hey, write your observation when a basic gas react with an acidic gas. You get dense white fuse. Now, beta, we directly go to the displacement, and in displacement, what trick I gave you? What trick you are going to remember? Yeah. This is the logic. The above one will displace the below one. Yeah. Karina ne car मांगी alto then Farah. Now tell me, beta, will zinc displace copper? Okay. A copper sulfate is blue color solution. When zinc will displace it, it will become colorless. Okay. Okay. Now tell me, beta, can copper displace zinc? Where is copper? Below. So below one cannot displace the above one. Not possible. Similarly, beta, if we talk about, all these metal can displace hydrogen. Zinc can displace magnesium, but can copper displace hydrogen? So are not possible. Acha beta, we have studied the reaction in hydrogen also, beta. Who are the most reactive element? Karina and Ka. So this metal react what, beta? With cold water. And they react very violently. Potassium is the monovalent metal which catches fire. Sodium is the monovalent metal which reacts violently but little less as compared to potassium.
सर
Yeah.
हाइड्रोजन को ब्रैकेट में क्यों लिखते हैं
हर टाइम में कहाँ ब्रैकेट में लिखा है H2 ऐसा लिखा है वो
रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज
रिएक्टिविटी ऐसा वो तो ऐसे लिखा है बेटा बिकॉज है ना हाइड्रोजन को है ना अलग से क्यों लिखा है पता है क्या ऐसा बिकॉज वो नॉन मेटल है इसके लिए बाकी सब मेटल है Yeah. Hey, as you go down the group, beta, you have to use what? Boiling water or steam. Why we have to use? Because they are below in the magnesium onwards, they won't give hydroxide, they will give you what? Oxide and hydrogen. Now similarly beta, for non-metal, what you have to remember, just first class biryani height. इसमें the above one will displace the below one. So chlorine can displace bromine, chlorine can displace iodine. So this is all about your displacement reaction. Then beta we did decomposition. Decomposition mein I give you so many tricks. What trick you have to do? You have to remember the trick for nitrates. Then you have to remember the trick for bolo carbonates. Then you have to remember the trick for hydroxide and oxide. Hey, if I give you any nitrates, there are so many nitrates na beta. So I am doing first thermal decomposition, means decomposition by presence of heat. Okay. If I take now first we are going to study for nitrate. So what you have to remember beta, Carina ka nitrate, whenever you decompose, what it will give you? Nitrite and oxygen. So potassium nitrate will give you potassium nitrate and oxygen. Calcium to copper, any nitrate if I take, यहाँ से यहाँ तक beta, can you see? If I take any nitrate, it will give you metal oxide NO2 NO2. It will give you what? Metal oxide NO2 and beta last ka do mercury and silver, platinum and gold are does not react with anyone. So beta mercury and silver beta they are lower na, so they try to remain alone. So they will give you what? Metal NO2 and in exam they can ask you name a nitrate which give oxygen as the only gas. Oxygen as the only gas. Manya Mehta. This Anya Mehta, क्या नाम है? Ananya. Name a nitrate which give oxygen as the only gas on heating. Oxygen ही खाली जो दे रहा है as the only gas. Which are those two nitrate? Shut your mouth. What is this? Are only oxygen? We have the two gases are there, na beta? So only oxygen who is giving only oxygen is CaNO3 and NaNO3. Potassium nitrate and sodium nitrate. Name two nitrates. Shruti beta, two nitrates which gives only what? Oxygen. So they are sodium and potassium. ठीक है beta? Okay, name a nitrate which on heating gives its own metal. Gives its own metal. Which nitrate is giving its own metal?
Hg and Ag.
Hg and Ag. आजो तनिषा ये देख ठीक ना बेटा, ऐसे क्वेश्चन आएंगे बेटा, समझ में आ रहा है? फिर बेटा इसके ऑब्जर्वेशन बेस्ड क्वेश्चन भी बहुत सारे नाइट्रेट के, जैसे भी मैं बताना नाइट्रेट के मैं आपको बाद में बताऊंगा इसके ऑब्जर्वेशन बेस्ड क्वेश्चन। अच्छा चलो मैं बता देता हूं, हम लोग ने पढ़ा था कॉपर क्या कॉपर, सॉरी कॉपर इज विच कलर बेटा? ब्लू। ये क्या होता है? ब्लैक। दिस इज NO2 इज व्हाट? रेडिश ब्राउन।
Acidic gas.
हाँ रेडिश ब्राउन एसिडिक गैस, राइट बेटा?
Yes.
PbNO3 is white. This is PbO is buff yellow. NO2 is reddish brown gas. Yeah, O2 is neutral gas. आपको पूछेगा which is the acidic gas? NO2. Which is the neutral gas? O2. Okay. Right. So ऐसे क्वेश्चन ये अभी ऑल नाइट्रेट्स के लिए हीटिंग का ट्रिक समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
You don't have to stop playing cricket later on, beta. I'll also join later.
No, I don't want to.
ठीक है? एक ही हो गया ऐसा?
So return to me.
Return to me. No. Yeah. This will help. Oh yeah. Then beta, if I take name to carbonate, we do not decompose. Taude, name to which are hydroxide, we do not decompose.
K and Na.
K and Na. First two. Yeah. So that is why you have to remember this. I have categorized. Now then calcium to copper, if I take any hydroxide. What trick you have to remember? Metal oxide and whenever I write this triangle means it is heated, huh? Thermal decomposition we are doing. Krisha beta, which decomposition? Thermal. Okay.
Also, no, carbon is there only.
I'll come to that. First I'm doing hydroxide. Now beta, these two they generally do not form hydroxide. But even if they form, the lower one, they will always try to remain what I told you now, they will try to give their own metal. अरे यहाँ पे भी खुद का मेटल बनाता था, तो यहाँ पे भी क्या बनाएगा? मेटल, वाटर एंड ऑक्सीजन। ये जो ऑक्साइड था ना वो दूर चला जाएगा, तो देखो ऑक्सीजन बन जाएगा और मेटल खुद अलग हो जाएगा। ओके, नेम, अच्छा दिस इज फॉर हाइड्रोक्साइड वी डिड। देन वी आर गोइंग टू डू फॉर व्हाट? कार्बोनेट्स। Carina का carbonate does not decompose. Name to carbonate which do not decompose on heating. Come on. Potassium carbonate and sodium. And from calcium to copper, any carbonate I'll take. What I'm going to get? Metal oxide and CO2. और लोअर वाला रहेगा तो क्या देगा? मेटल अकेला रहना पसंद करेगा ना बेटा, तो मेटल प्लस CO2 एंड एक्स्ट्रा कौन आ जाएगा बाहर? O2. अरे ये देखना, ये CO2 और O2 तो ऊपर भी, CO2 था ना यहाँ पर, तो ये मेटल ऑक्साइड में से मेटल अलग हो गया और ऑक्सीजन दूर चला गया. इफ आई टेक एनी ऑक्साइड बेटा,
K2CO.
okay, potassium 2 this does not decompose. So last का 2 will give you mercury oxide. When heated, it will give you from red color, it will give you silvery metal. Mercury oxide, silver oxide will give you silver and oxygen. Clear? Then beta we are done beta D with decomposition beta. Photochemical, in photochemical beta decomposition will take place by absorption of light. Why silver compound are kept in dark color bottle? Can you say it is also known as photo? If I keep in transparent bottle, light will fall on it and it will undergo photochemical decompose. So silver compounds are therefore kept in what? Dark color bottles. Clear?
What is it?
0.5, 0.5, 0.5. How I'll reach it? Finally. चलो ए. Okay. Now, electrolytic decomposition. It is also known as electrolysis. It is also known as. Now, in this, they will ask various questions. Why not? We have used pure water because pure water is a bad conductor. Therefore, we have to write. On electric current, if you don't write this, you will lose marks. You have to write electric current is passed. So, you get hydrogen and
Oxygen.
a gas released at cathode is with terminal, negative terminal. Anode is with terminal. Is this clear to all of you? So, acha, now as I told you, beta, they will ask you various, this big questions on observation. So, how they, oh. Oh, yeah, look, how many different type of questions they can ask. चलो आ जाओ इधर पे. Right. Hey, Ayan Shetty. Shayan बेटा यहाँ पे देख. Hey, in this I can ask you 10 different questions. Okay. First question. When copper nitrate is heated, write the black compound form. What is the color of copper oxide? What is the color of copper nitrate? Blue. Okay. Name the reddish brown gas evolved when copper nitrate is heated. Name. What is the color of nitrogen dioxide? Name the acidic gas evolved when copper nitrate is heated. Nitrogen. Clear hai beta? Name the neutral gas evolved when copper nitrate is heated. Oxygen. Right? Water. Oxygen. Okay. Then beta, when directly diagram observation based question they will ask. Write your observation when copper nitrate is heated. Then what you are going to write beta? Blue color compound will give you black residue and reddish brown gas. ठीक है बेटा, रेडिश ब्राउन गैस. वो गया simple lead nitrate. Lead nitrate when it is heated, you get buff yellow residue and reddish brown gas and oxygen. Ammonium dichromate beta, it is orange compound. When you heat it, it decomposes violently with flashes of light to give you green residue. Okay, and which gas is here? N2. Okay. Now, when you heat copper sulfate .5H2, it is crystalline blue color and it will become white anhydrous amorphous powder. Right? All this were decomposition. Now, beta, we are chalo do the paper. Chalo, aaja, fatafat yahan par aa jao. Acha, before going to so look, beta, what all thing I have done, beta, here they have given the displacement. Remember, here they have given in detail, beta. Look, decomposition, displacement. Karina ne car mangi. Can you see this, beta? Right? And I give you all this reaction. A, iron react with water in which manner? Reversibly. Yaad hai, last time we have done in hydrogen. F3 acha. Displacement reaction we have done. And then beta, this is something new for you. All the reversible reaction beta. Can you see all these reaction are? Okay. Reversible. तो हर डिसोसिएशन एक अलग होता है बेटा. We have done decomposition. What is difference between thermal decomposition and dissociation? Dissociation reaction are all reversible. ये बहुत important है. Ammonium chloride is white supplementary substance. Can you see this is reversibly? You get basic gas and acidic gas. Basic gas and now. Look here. All this we have done. Displacement also I have discussed with you. अच्छा एग्जाम में बोलेंगे राइट एग्जाम्पल ऑफ रिवर्सिबल रिएक्शन. ऑल दीज आर विच रिएक्शन. अच्छा ये कैटलिस्ट वाला भी मैं तुमको बताऊंगा बेटा. कैटालिटिक रिएक्शन बेटा. कैन यू सी दिस इज ऑल आल्सो कैटालिटिक रिएक्शन. हु इज द कैटलिस्ट यूज्ड इन प्रिपरेशन ऑफ सल्फर ट्राइऑक्साइड? Vanadium pentaoxide. In preparation of ammonia by Hebber's process, finally divided Fe. ये N2 plus O2 give you nitric oxide. This is 3000 degree endothermic reaction. अच्छा, what is the catalyst beta? I told you it is a substance which is used to alter the rate of reaction. Okay, they will ask you, this is hydrogen peroxide. Write a catalyst when hydrogen peroxide is heated. Manganese dioxide. ये वाला मैंने भी बताया था यानी वेनेडियम. ये भी बताया था. MO is what? Promoter here, हाँ बेटा. This is very important reaction. 45, 46. याद रखना बेटा. When ammonia react with oxygen, it will give you NO plus water. Positive catalyst increases the rate of reaction. Negative catalyst क्या करेगा बेटा? Reduces. Promoter increase efficiency of catalyst. फिर बेटा आपको पूछेगी गिव एग्जांपल ऑफ एक्सोथर्मिक एंड एंडोथर्मिक. कभी भी ऐसा मैंने ये प्लस ट्राइंगल वाले सब कौन से रिएक्शन है बोलो बेटा? एक्सो. And all these wherever minus triangle is written, these are okay. चलो एग्जाम में पूछेंगे व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ वाटर गैस. तो कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड एंड हाइड्रोजन टुगेदर आर नोन एज वाटर गैस. Give two example of endothermic. So these two are endothermic. Formation of nitric oxide and what? Some water gas. Okay, this all decomposition I have taught you beta. Remember beta? For nitrate, carbonates, nitrate, hydroxide, and even I gave you for oxide and carbonates. Right ना बेटा? चलो बेटा. this अच्छा ऑक्साइड्स बेटा आप लोगों को वो लोग पूछेंगे नहीं लेकिन फिर भी मैंने आपको बता दिया था. एसिडिक, बेसिक, एम्फोटेरिक एंड न्यूट्रल. राइट बेटा. देयर इज वन मोर ऑक्साइड, पेरोक्साइड. पेरोक्साइड कौन है बेटा? सोडियम पेरोक्साइड, हाइड्रोजन पेरोक्साइड. देन देयर इज मिक्स्ड ऑक्साइड. रिमेंबर बेटा this we did na Fe3O4, Pb3O4, they are mixed oxide. Mixed oxide means in this oxide is of both the variable valency, like now like this ferrous oxide, ferric oxide, you add that. So O4 and this become Fe3. So it is a mixture of two oxide or not, ferrous and ferric. Okay. This is lead dioxide, PbO2. Hey baby, PbO2. Now, chalo beta, answer this. Come on. Yeah, we are done till here. चलो ये सब हम लोग ने कर दिया था. ये लिखा नहीं, अलग से पेपर बता रहा हूँ. चलो भी आपको मैंने पूछा जिंक इज बर्न्ड विद प्रेजेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. रुक जा बेटा. जिंक, अरे रुकने दे. प्लस ZnO बनेगा. यू आर नॉट सपोज टू राइट द रिएक्शन, ओनली फॉर रेफरेंस. अभी आपको क्या मिला? जिंक ऑक्साइड. सो व्हाट? कंपाउंड इज फॉर्म व्हिच इज येलो एंड हॉट व्हाइट. ये सब मैंने आपको सॉल्व करके भेजा हुआ है ग्रुप में. A mercury is heated with oxygen. So when mercury is reacted, beta, you get HgO ना बेटा. हाँ सब सॉल्व करके भेजा हुआ है. तेरे को भी मैं ऐड कर दूंगा. तेरे को ऐड किया हो ना ग्रुप में के लिए. ए भाई.
What is it called? Like, what is it right?
No, you have to write only observation. So what you write here, you know, your first case beta residue, which is residue yellow and hot, white and cold, yellow and hot. Hot it is, yellow and hot. H. Lead is burned with oxygen, तो you get PbO ना बेटा. तो PbO हाँ, ये तो ऑरेंज रेड हो गया ना बेटा. हाँ बफ येलो. buff yellow compound is obtained. Observation लिखने हैं. ये नाइट्रोजन इज रिएक्टेड विद क्लोरीन. नाइट्रोजन प्लस क्लोरीन क्या बनता था? NCl3 बनता था कि नहीं? एंड व्हाट इज द कलर ऑफ दिस? येलो लिक्विड. सो ऑब्जर्वेशन इज व्हाट बेटा? यू गेट येलो लिक्विड. खत्म. बराबर है. इसमें क्या लिखते थे? यू गेट बफ येलो. मैं रिएक्शन के साथ में बता रहा हूं तुम लोगों को. बट इन एग्जाम यू आर नॉट सपोज व्हेनेवर ऑब्जर्वेशन इज आज यू आर नॉट सपोज टू राइट रिएक्शन, ओनली ऑब्जर्वेशन. रिएक्शन आपको साइड में रफ में लिखना है तो लिख सकते हैं फॉर योर बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. क्या बनेगा उसके लिए. क्लियर.
I have a doubt अगर reaction नहीं लिखना है और
ऑब्जर्वेशन.
सीधा observation लिखा तो balance करके observation लिखने से
अरे रिएक्शन की जरूरत ही नहीं है. रिएक्शन लिखना ही नहीं है.
balance करके कुछ नहीं लिखना.
नहीं, ऑब्जर्वेशन को कहाँ बैलेंसिंग लिखता? ऑब्जर्वेशन में तो कलर मिलता है. बैलेंस तो इक्वेशन होता है. ऑब्जर्वेशन थोड़ी बैलेंस होता है. ये बुटिया चिटिया कलाइया ध्यान देने. यहाँ पे क्या बात कर रहा है कंटिन्यूसली?
मैं सर
No, 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 no.
Rotten expense.
Let us complete बेटा फटाफट. बाद में तू कुछ भी डाउट वाउट पूछे कुछ बताऊंगा नहीं. तेरे को ध्यान रखना. हाँ बस. ये येलो लिक्विड बेटा बड़े नोट्स में था. याद है ना? आज बताया था नाइट्रोजन ट्राइक्लोराइड. सल्फर इज हीटेड. हाँ बेटा हाइड्रोजन सबको आने दे. ए हाइड्रोजन और सल्फर को मैं रिएक्शन लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. हाइड्रोजन सल्फाइड. बट व्हाट इज ऑब्जर्वेशन? हाँ गैस इज रिलीज विद रॉटन एक्स. ठीक है राइट ना बेटा? ये कैडमियम वाला नहीं है. अच्छा सिल्वर इज एक्सपोज टू एयर. रिएक्ट विद हाइड्रोजन सल्फाइड एंड यू गेट AgS. ठीक है. एक्सप्लोसिव थिंगी विंगी नहीं मिलता है. अच्छा इन एयर देयर आर वेरियस गैसेस. वन ऑफ देम इज हाइड्रोजन सल्फाइड. सिल्वर विल रिएक्ट. आप लोग ने बेटा आपका वो ज्वेलरी आप लोग पहनते होगे सिल्वर ज्वेलरी पायल वगैरह राइट ना बेटा? तो उस पे बेटा उस पे क्या हो जाता है? ब्लैक हो जाता है. तो व्हाट यू डोंट हैव टू राइट दिस रिएक्शन. व्हाट विल से? सिल्वर ब्लैक tarnish will develop on silver or silver will become black. Clear beta? What happened beta? Why you are laughing there? What? Okay. And that black color tarnish is because of what? Silver sulfide. अरे यार वो ऑर्नामेंट का नाम होता है पायल. Whose name is पायल? Okay, बस. This Shlok Pramanik, you're not studying anything and you're doing continually mischief in the class. I am saying. Okay, I know. Yeah.
So what is cadmium?
Cadmium is an element बेटा. Cadmium is CD. Valence is 2. अच्छा क्या करने का? Cadmium with sulfur. So what do you get बेटा? Cadmium sulfide. Yeah. CD is cadmium. Yeah. Nitric oxide combined with oxygen. NO plus O2. So you get NO2. Hey, what will be your observation, beta? You are not supposed to write the reaction. Reddish brown gas is released. Reddish brown gas is released. And this one I am doing. Okay. Quick climb and dissolve in water. Quick climb क्या रहता है? हो जाते बेटा देख. Quick climb and dissolve in water. Quick climb is this. Water तो you get क्या? तो ये बेटा क्या ये जो बनता है ना तो व्हाइट कलर का कंपाउंड बनता है. समझ में आ गया? You get white precipitate of calcium hydroxide. अच्छा अभी नेम बोला तो प्लीज राइट नेम. Don't write formula. If they say identify, please बेटा you have to read question carefully.
What model is that? What the hell is that? Like, what's an
Hey, this girl here, why don't you pay attention here? Okay, okay. Hey, bas, bas. Okay, okay.
Shut up.
Chill, bro.
Going on.
Hello, please. Okay.
Sure, totally. You're
Now,
okay.
no.
अलग बात है.
Okay, बेटा. Okay, बेटा सबको पता है आप में अलग बात है. Please ध्यान दीजिए. ठीक है.
What?
Okay, now please, whenever they ask name, you have to write name, but I'm giving formula and writing the name. Okay, listen, beta. Trisha, an oxide which is yellow when hot and white when cold. But don't write this. You have to write name, please. You write this full zinc oxide. ये तो मैं खाली आपको बता रहा हूँ इसे.
Nitrogen down.
हाँ, मुझे बेटा दोनों सब कुछ जानते हैं. ए श्लोक प्रमाणिक आंसर बोल बेटा. A gas which is reddish brown in color. NO2 नहीं लिखने का, नाइट्रोजन डाइऑक्साइड. बिकॉज दे वाज नेम. ओके, राइट. या रूबी. हाँ, राइट. नो नेम. ए कलरलेस लिक्विड विद कलरलेस नहीं, रॉन्ग लिखा है बेटा. हाँ,
ChatGPT sometimes color is sometimes.
no, whatever you have to write, you don't have to follow ChatGPT. Okay, you have to follow the textbook. नाइट्रोजन प्लस क्लोरीन यू विल गेट व्हाट बेटा. NCl3 होता है, इसका नाम है बता दो. एंड इट इज येलो लिक्विड. नाइट्रोजन ट्राइक्लोराइड. इस बॉय यार पीछे ना, मेरे को ना जरा भी आवाज नहीं आना चाहिए. तो यहाँ पे ध्यान दे रहे, वहां पे है क्या बात. चलो इज दैट राइट. I'm sitting like this. Please, this entire bench behind, stop all your gaze activity. Okay? And pay attention here. Shut your mouth. Yeah. Now, please pay attention here. A gas with Rotanex smell, which is the gas?
Hydrogen sulfide.
Hydrogen sulfide. This girl here, why don't you just shut him mouth? A nitrogen when react with
Nitric
oxide.
oxide.
हाँ, you get NO. हाँ, NO का नाम क्या होता है? Nitric oxide.
Cupric oxide.
An oxide of copper which is black in color. हाँ, but नाम लिखने का है ना, तो copper 2 oxide or CuO, but you don't write this CuO. Cupric oxide भी लिख सकते हो, और copper oxide also it is. This type of question they will ask. What is the solvent for sulfur? Carbon disulfide. Carbon di. Okay, एक मिनट रुक जा बेटा, यहाँ पे आ जाते हैं. Hey, this girl here, Prabhu Desai, tell me what is the answer. Phosphorus pentaoxide is react with water. Remember beta, what used to happen? I'll give you the hint also. What is the name of this acid form?
VPO.
हाँ तो इसका नाम
Phosphoric acid.
फॉस्फरिक एसिड। पढ़ने का ये सब मैंने दिया हुआ है बेटा। आई गिवन ऑल दिस थिंग बेटा। वेयर आई गिवन दिस? अरे वो बड़े नोट्स में फर्स्ट पेज पे ही था ये। पढ़ते नहीं हो तुम लोग।
So, I have a doubt. When we're writing the answer of the compound form with phosphorus pentoxide wala, do we have to write 2p2O5 or just
No, beta, they have asked observations. So why you write 2p2O5? You have to just write what is the product. ठीक है, तो 2 लिखेगा, वो बैलेंस इक्वेशन के लिए होता है। नाम में कभी 2 आता है? या केमिकल नेम ऑफ लाइम वाटर। लाइम वाटर इज व्हाट बेटा? कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड। क्विक लाइम इज लाइम कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड। अच्छा, दिस इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। एनहाइड्राइड ऑफ सल्फ्यूरिक। अच्छा, एनहाइड्रा, हाइड्रा मीन्स वाटर, एनहाइड्रा मीन्स रिमूव वाटर। सो सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड में से इफ आई रिमूव वाटर,
SO3?
so what will remain beta? This H2 cancel, S and this O will get cancelled, so SO3. So sulfur trioxide. This is very interesting beta. So what is the anhydride of sulfuric acid? Sulfur SO3. Hydra मतलब पानी, पानी निकाल दिया।
CaOH2.
नहीं, quicklime is CaO.
Quicklime is
Quicklime. Lime water. Lime water. CaOH2. ओके, क्विक लाइम, लाइम वाटर समझ में आया है? लाइम वाटर, क्विक लाइम समझ में आ गया फॉर्मूला? ओके। अच्छा, now beta they will ask you write the condition for the reaction, so you will be able to do it or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Please beta, you have to be very careful. First reaction is nitrogen plus hydrogen, but you have to write everything. This reaction was reversible. Was the catalyst? Fe. What was the temperature? 450 degree. What is to get? Alright, and this plus triangle.
Sir, temperature.
3 2 temperature I written है यार. Okay. If you want, you can add this. Yeah, reversible sign.
209.
Nah, yeah, that is atmosphere. 200 to 900 atmosphere. Catalytic, sulfur का catalytic में क्या करेंगे? SO2 plus O2 gives you. This reaction is also reversible. V2O5 SO3 plus a triangle exothermic balance. Okay. Yeah.
Sir, 3000 degree.
Nitrogen plus oxygen gives you nitric oxide.
3000.
And here the 3000 degree. Or electric arc you can write. Or lightning, very high temperature. Is this clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
So अच्छा, और कैसा क्वेश्चन आएगा ये देखो. One more paper I'm going to discuss with you. आ जाओ, चलो आंसर बोलो इसका क्या होगा? फर्स्ट का वेरी गुड। डिकम्पोजिशन ऑफ सिल्वर सॉल्ट। एलिमेंट मोलिब्डेनम का क्या है? Molybdenum is what? A reaction of coke endothermic. पता है ना, वो coke plus water लिखते थे, right? And what reaction it was 1000 degree हम लोग ऊपर लिखते थे, used to get CO plus H2, इसको water gas बोलते हैं, और यहाँ पे minus triangle. So it is endo. A metal which react reversibly with iron. याद आ रहा है? Reversibly used to get Fe3O4. हाइड्रोजन चैप्टर में भी था। हम यहाँ पे आ जा बेटा। गिव few example of acidic oxide. Acidic oxide में कौन आएगा? CO2 SO2 ओके। बेसिक एसिडिक में SO3 भी ले जो भी लेना। बेसिक एक दो ही निकला। Na2O बरोबर है। CaO ये एम्फोटेरिक में खाली 3 ही लोग हैं, जनाबे अलीन पर ZNO3PbO। न्यूट्रल में कौन कौन है? CONO वच्चा वच्चा वच्चा
So they are doing it.
You are only doing it.
हाँ,
You were the one who passed it. I saw.
I got it from here.
Sir, I got it from here. Oh, I will.
Show me the bottle. Give it. Pass. Pass.
What's that stationery? Sir, are you taking it?
Yeah, I'm collecting it as a bhangar. And then I'll sell it. Okay, over. Good, happy? Now. Please, beta.
Sir, sell it for 20 rupees.
और मेरे मॉडल
Hey, what's your phone? Why do you click it?
Hey, bye. Bus. Pay attention in the class. Beta, I gave you, remember beta, example of peroxide. Remember beta, peroxide. Sodium peroxide. Mixed oxide is which one beta? Your Fe3O4 or PB3O4, anyone. Dioxide was which one beta? PbO2. याद आ रहा है ना बेटा, ये example था साहब. Clear?
Yes.
Then beta, they are given few reaction and you have to match it. Whether they are what? Zinc hydroxide on heating give you zinc oxide. So which is it is? अरे decompose हो रहा है ना, तो which reaction it is? Decomposition. Zinc reacts with copper to give you. लात मारा ना इसने इसको. Display. अरे मैं लिख के बताऊँ क्या? अरे zinc hydroxide था. बस. राइट, यहाँ पे क्या था? जिंक प्लस कॉपर सल्फेट, तो कॉपर को लात मारेगा ना, रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज. सॉरी, कॉपर. सी यू ओके, बस हैप्पी. जिंक सल्फेट विद अमोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, सो इट विल बी डबल डीकंपोज. मोल्टन जिंक बर्न्स इन एयर टू गिव जिंक ऑक्साइड. एक ही प्रोडक्ट बनेगा कि नहीं बोलो बेटा? So it is direct and both are element na beta, right?
Yes.
Any difficulty, right? Chalo beta. So then beta, this balance equation and all we have done already. We have done a thermal decomposition reaction involving बराबर है बेटा? अरे calcium CO2. Neutral liquid मतलब क्या होगा? Water. Only water will not get marks. You have to write acidified. And no, not same thing. You have to write electric current also.
2H2
And then it will give you 2H2 plus O2. I hope you are getting it. H2. अरे बेटा माउंट जाओगा ना तो अच्छे उड़ जाएंगे. Why don't you all just shut your mouth and pay attention? I'm doing it. This is beta double decomposition, but beta anyways, acid react with base. So I'm taking acid HCl, base is NaOH. Acid react with base to give you salt and water. But you don't have the double decomposition, you said na beta? Yeah.
So we will take anything.
Anyways, beta, this was our double decomposition now. Very important. Last वो double decomposition नहीं है बेटा. देखना, white precipitant, silver salt and sodium salt. I could have given that NaCl plus AgNO3, but I am not given because as you all said you don't have. अच्छा बेटा, ये बहुत अफवाह फैल रही है कि तुम्हारा कौन सा तो वो चैप्टर है, मैं वो लोग पूछने वाले हैं बेटा. You just confirm and once tell me बेटा by tomorrow. Okay, I mean the last page, which it's practical chemistry, na beta?
Yeah.
They have not taught you, but beta that comes in practical chemistry. So basically, so you should have told me earlier if it is going to come today. You are telling me.
Today only our teacher told.
अरे तू बैडमिंटन खेलेगा
मैं बैडमिंटन
जब बोलो पढ़ा रहे
आज ही हमें पूजा उसको बोले सर आज ही बोला कि 141 140
Okay, okay.
सब प्रैक्टिकल
प्रैक्टिकल करेंगे
Show me, baby.
Side by a black.
One,
141.
141.
नंबर बताएगा
Hey, this we have done, beta. 141. 141 is effect of heat. What man?
सर नीचे का वो डायग्राम बनेगा
अरे जो डायग्राम का ये जो ऊपर हीट गया उसी का डायग्राम दिया.
सर कौन पढ़ेगा उसको भूल जाओ सर
What man? Wait, I
क्या सर
yeah, beta.
सब पिक्चर स्टडी भी आने वाला है हमारे क्लास में पिक्चर स्टडी सिखाया पिक्चर स्टडी भी आने वाला है सर
Ah, yeah. I am showing it to you all, baby. Look here. Right? Page number क्या है?
सर 121
Test for gases है 143. 141 you say. Hey. What is chakna?
सर पेनाल्ट
Chakna? What is chakna?
सर शेखना
Why chakna? Why chakna? It is chakna, not chakna. Okay. Anyways. Okay. Okay. Pass. Chill, bro. Chill, bro. Chill, bro. Chill, bro. Okay. Yeah, okay. Anyways, beta, this is what these they have told, but I'll just see. Listen, please, enough. Beta, PbO2 को heat करेगा तो what is the color of this residue? We did the beta buff yellow.
यस
अरे PbO buff yellow or not? Tell me.
यस सर
And which is the gas involved here? Come on.
ऑक्सीजन
कितना था? What is the color of the residue? Black. Which is the gas involved? CO2.
येलो एंड हॉट वाइट
Yellow and hot, white and cold. White तो यहाँ पे लिखने का yellow and hot. What dot? Which gas? Dot means water molecule of crystallization. So beta, when you heat it, beta, you don't get any residue here. You get sodium carbonate. Okay. So what with the color of this will be white only, beta. Sodium carbonate is white, and which gas is evolved? Water vapor. Copper sulfate को बेटा when you heat करेंगे बेटा तो from blue it will become white. And water vapor. You don't have to write 5 water vapor, only water. Clear? Okay, which all gases are evolved? Ammonia and HCl. No, nothing. Ammonium chloride when you heat you don't get. बेटा एग्जाम में ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन आता है. राइट रिएक्शन इन विच white sublimable substance give you two different gas, basic gas as well as This Butta, I'll make you sing in front of entire class. Okay? Right?
और ज्यादा है
Yeah.
Sir.
Yeah, that's Sonia, everything I'll make you sing. I hear everything. Okay, stop playing with that. You are not using that right now, so no need to put it back there. Okay, keep it behind. And this is what they were told, beta, when you heat it. बस यही इसका observation था. Clear है? Then what they told you all to write? This one was not there, na? 143, right? So this one. अरे बेटा, I told you today only in my notes also is given. अगर कोई भी carbon dioxide gas देगा तो original substance will be what? Carbonate. Remember in my big notes and the last page. Yeah, carbonate or iron. So this fellow will have what ion? Which ion? Carbonate. Look at that. And carbonate will always give you which gas? Carbon dioxide. And carbon dioxide always turn lime water milky. If original substance and you add HCl, if you are getting sulfur, who gives sulfur dioxide? Sulfite. I told you that today.
Yes.
Or it is given in my big notes also. And what is the test? Sulfur dioxide का ये बाहर करना पड़ेगा. Hey, why don't you just shut your mouth, garbage? Potassium turns potassium dichromate solution from orange to green.
So why are we using potassium dichromate?
And that is the test solution we have to use. But that I think this no. But pay attention. Yeah, if I take any substance and you get HCl and if it gives you H2S means it has which compound? Sulfide. Understood? ये sulfide क्यों आया यहाँ पर? Have you understood? This is sulfide. This is sulfide. And this is carbo. ठीक है. Hydrogen sulfide is rotten egg smell. And what is the test for it? It turns moist starch, lead acetate paper, silvery black. Moist lead acetate paper. Lead acetate paper एक पेपर होता है बेटा. But ये नहीं पूछेगी बेटा. You just confirm once. Sulfide, yeah. ठीक है ना बेटा? So that's all for today. Okay, Babito.
पढ़ना है आपको बोलो